In this video, I'm going to show you how to view the version history of an app in Base44 quickly and easily. If you're working on an app and want to check previous changes, review updates, or see how your project has evolved over time, Base44 makes it simple. This is a really useful feature when you want to track edits, compare versions, or just make sure you can go back and review past work. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open your project in Base44. Once your project is loaded, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the version history icon there. All you need to do is click that version history icon. As soon as you do, Base44 will open the version history for your app, where you can view past versions and review earlier changes. That's it. It only takes a couple of clicks, and now you know how to view the version history of an app in Base44. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Base44 tutorials and app building tips.